So today I'm going to narrate a story called the CEO story. So there was a CEO of this firm who planned to take 2 months off and he went on for a vacation for 2 months. But before he did that, he gave 10 of his qualities or potential or talent to two of his favorite employees who were handling two different streams. So he called employee A, who was handling one stream, and he gave his 10 qualities to him or her. And then he called employee B, who was handling the other stream, and he gave the 10 qualities to him or her. 2 months was over and then he was back. He was very curious to know what's happening in those two streams, especially after he gave his 10 qualities to both. He called employee A. Employee A was very happy and fulfilled. He or she did let the CEO know that his or her stream was operating very well. That person did not only play his role, but he or she also played the CEO's role when he was not present, because he had got those 10 qualities from CEO. So his stream went excellent with both his role and the leadership role that he got from the CEO. CEO was very happy and he gave him some more roles which was quite aligned to the CEO. Then CEO called employee B. Employee B was like neutral and he did let CEO know that he or she could not use the 10 qualities that CEO had given to employee B. He preferred to be right all the time and not to move from his comfort zone. So what happened is his stream was just there and there was no change or no progress that happened because he shelved the qualities that CEO had given. So from his or her role, it was all right, but then there was no leadership or managerial intervention in his or her stream. CEO was not very overwhelmed listening to this, and CEO asked employee B to be seated and do the work that he or she was doing, because that employee very much wanted to be in his or her comfort zone. So the moral of this story is that whenever we get any opportunity or chance and we feel or believe that we can relate to that, we must grab that opportunity and try to do our best, because we never know, that opportunity might uncover our hidden potential and talent. What do you have to say? Don't you think so? Thank you.